Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the 1.3 poem The Pilgrim, written by Anonymous. Means poet is unknown. Don't know who is the poet. Anonymous means unknown. Okay. Yesterday we have seen means how that pilgrim means the old man. He while traveling, when he traveling the ravine, which is very deep, vast and wide, that time. There was means the twilight dim means light is very dull. Then also he has no fear for ravine or for valley. Then also he is means he decided to build a bridge to span the tide. Span the tide means see meaning to go across the tide means to he want to go across the valley. Means he already reach the other side, but to for the others, those who follow him, for them he has decided to build a bridge on the valley. Okay. Now next stanza. Old man, said a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. Means the fellow pilgrim means a fellow traveler, those who follow him. Those who fellow means those who follow him. Means the fellow traveler asked him why he is wasting his time building the bridge. Means he is asking why why waste your time in building here. Means why you wasting your time building the bridge. For means your journey ends with the close of the day. Your journey also means your journey is over, and you will never pass that way again. You will never pass this way again. Then also why you build this bridge? Means who asked? A fellow pilgrim asked to old pilgrim. Okay. You never again will pass away. Means you will never pass that way again. Means because that old man, he was old person. Maybe there is he got chance or not. He is getting chance or not to pass the valley. And that's why the fellow pilgrim asks, he will never pass that way again. Okay. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build a here at eventide? Means fellow traveler, he is puzzled. He is in puzzled. Okay. Means he was confused. Means that fellow pilgrim is confused there. Because he asks again. He again asks. See here. Means you have crossed the chasm deep and means you already crossed the deep and wide valley. You already crossed the deep and wide valley, and is building a bridge so late in the evening. Why you building the bridge? Why you building a bridge at so late evening? Eventide means see meaning late evening. Means why you building this bridge in that late evening? Because that time there is a twilight dim is there. Okay, dull light is there because of evening. And then also why you wasting your time here to build the bridge? Okay. Then the next stanza, see. The pilgrim raised his old grey head. My friend, in the path I have come, he said. The pilgrim raised his old grey head. Means the pilgrim raises his old grey head and explains. Means he explained the reason why he built the bridge. Okay, why he is going to build the bridge. See why he said, my friend in the path I have come, he said. There followeth after me today. Means he said, he says that there is a fair-haired youth. Fair-haired youth. See. Means a fair-haired youth who must pass this way. Means there is a maybe fair-haired means a young person. Fair-haired means those who have here is fair means not graying. Here is not graying. This person means young person. Who is behind him? Who is maybe they are passing this way. The chasm which held no fear for me, and that chasm means that valley, deep valley, there is no means there is no any fear in his mind. Means the old pilgrim who was experienced pilgrim, who was experienced traveler, who was not afraid of crossing the valley, who was not afraid of crossing the valley. However, the fair-haired youth is unexperienced. He is inexperienced. Inexperienced. Opposite of experience is inexperienced. Okay. Who is inexperienced, and there may be traps ahead of means see what he said. To the fair-haired youth may a pitfall be, he too must cross in the twilight dim. Means there may be traps ahead for him. Ahead for him means in front of him there may be a traps. Means maybe there is a barriers to in front of him how to cross the valley. Okay, and that's why he too would have to cross the valley in the dim twilight. In the dim twilight means a dull light. Means maybe he is traveling like me and the late evening. Okay, and the old man asks, see what he said, my friend, I am building this bridge for him. And he said, I am building this bridge for this young follower. For this young follower means for the young pilgrim. Okay, for the young pilgrim. Like this way, it is a very inspiring poem and heart-touching poem which gives us a strong message. Means that old man who is selfless, who is not greedy, okay, has crossed the chasm, and he is building a bridge to help the youth. To help the youth means to help the young persons. Help the young persons who is coming, who is following him the same path. Okay, and that's why means old man he know that there is no chance to cross this cross that bridge again to him, but he is building this bridge for the young follower, for young pilgrims. Okay, like this way it is a very inspiring poem. Of a poem finished, our syllabus also finished of unit test. You have to solve these questions, see, of exercises in your notebook. What is the questions? See everyone, page number 14. See page number 14. There is a questions related to pick out words from the poem to fill the wave diagram. Means there is a word travel. Means what we are going to write there? Travel. For example, travel from, you are traveling from highway, or your path, your way, journey, like this way you can write related words. Okay. Then time, around sunset. Evening time. Okay, around sunset. Sunset. Close of the day. Twilight dim or twilight. Eventide means late evening. These are the words time around sunset. Okay. Then question number 2, match the words column A with what they imply in column B. It is easy, you have to solve easily. For example, pilgrim, a duty man. Okay, a dutiful man. Journey, life. Journey is compared to life. Evening or close of the day, old age. Evening means evening. It is compared to the old age. Okay. Means we are saying na in Marathi संध्या, आयुष्याची संध्याकाळ. Okay, like this way. Chasm, deep and wide. Thread of the light means there are some threads in front of our light. Okay, you have to cross this with your means with your unselfish and you have to think of others. You have to think of other and try to help to who are not as experienced. Try to help to other. Okay, those who have not experience. Then building a bridge. Building a bridge means solving a problem. Solving a problem. Pitfall. Pitfall means trap. Means maybe barriers. Close of the day means it is compared to death. Okay, compared to death. Means there is no chance to come again to that, to cross that bridge to old man, means it is the compared to the death. Okay, like this way. Then read the third question. Read the poem and write 3 qualities of each other. Each of the following. Old pilgrim. How is? Means quality of old pilgrim. He is experienced person. He is a helpful person. Okay, experience, helpful, thoughtful. Then fellow pilgrim is curious, puzzled. Means he is curious. He is in puzzled and he is thoughtless. Okay. And young pilgrim who is frightened, inexperienced. Okay, frightened and inexperienced. And thoughtless also. We cannot say that here, thoughtless, but inexperienced, fighter or young. Okay. Fair hair is, these are the 3 qualities of young pilgrim. And answer in your own word. You have to find this answer in your means with the help of poem. Okay. That next question, note the rhyming words in the first stanza. That I means rhyme scheme of the poem. That already I taught when I taught you figure of speech. How to write the rhyming scheme of the poem. You have to write rhyming scheme of the second and third stanza of the poem. Okay. And find 2 lines that contain inversion. Which lines in poem related to inversion? Okay, inversion means that sequence of the sentence is not going to correct this. For example, to the fair-haired youth may be pitfall be. To the fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. It is the example of inversion. Okay. Means like this way. One more example you have to find from poem. And then pick out the line, each line that contain the following figure of speech. Find which lines are related to tautology, personification, interrogation. Find in a poem. If you have any difficulties, you can ask me on group about exercise. Okay, like this way you have to solve all this exercise and complete it. Okay, in your notebook. Okay, thank you.